Hey, what's up, guys? It's Kenny Causeway on a rainy Monday morning, GTA. Let's talk about dilution. Let's talk a little bit about the triple threat pre-spray, okay, guys? All good and true and real, and the best carpet cleaning pre-sprays come in a powder form. 6, 7, or 8 pounds of powder. And triple threat just happens to be Canada's best pre-spray. Okay, so inside the container you've got a scoop. This is a 2-ounce scoop. So the label says use 2 to 4 ounces of the powder per gallon of water. So this is a gallon, and that's pretty much a gallon. I went to Shoppers Drug Mart, I spent $1.60. I got 4 liters of distilled water for $1.60. And then that's going to be my container from now on. Recently, one client, what he did was he put a scoop into this much water, and it left residue on the upholstery. That is way too much chemical into here. Okay, that's what you want to scoop into 4 liters. So I guess today somebody's gonna. If you're in the GTA and you're driving around Mississauga, I'm going to put the powder in, dilute it properly. Really only need about 5 minutes of dwell time, or not dwell time, sorry, 5 minutes to let this powder dissolve. And if anybody's cruising around Mississauga, Lakeshore, Cawthra, you can have this for free. It'll be ready to use. And from here, from this container here, now you can pour that into your favorite sprayer once that dissolves in 5 minutes. So if anybody's cruising around Mississauga and you want a free, ready to use gallon or 4 liters of triple threat, I'm actually going to add a second scoop, so you'll have the super powerful version of ready to use triple threat. It's yours. That's how you dilute it. That's how much water you need. Not this much water, but this much water. Okay, so proper dilution is critical. Peace out, guys. Have a great Monday.